Hi, my name is Susan. Welcome to Little Crown Style. Today I'm going to show you how I mix this cream together. In case you are watching my video and you see me using this cream in this very cup, you will understand what I have here. So that is why I'm showing what I'm mixing here together. This is Batana oil and the other one is rosemary mixed with Batana oil. This is hair oil and this one is black seed oil. So these are the four items I'm going to be mixing together, and the reason why I'm doing it this way, I cannot be using this one. Sometimes I forget to use some, so but when I have them in one place it will be easier for me to use. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to scoop it from this cup. I'm going to put it in everything in one place. These four ingredients is a very powerful one. Imagine me using Batana oil, rosemary oil mixed with Batana oil, then black seed oil and the other one. So these are the things I'm going to list everything. Comment section, feel free to check it out to know the name properly, on the name of the everything that I'm mixing together. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like and share. If you are subscribed, if you're my returning viewer, thank you so much also for your endless support. So now this is the last one I'm going to just put, and everything I'm using here, everything is for hair, so I just decide to just put everything together. And I'm going to just see this, I use everything full, or I didn't turn anything off. That's why I'm just showing it the way I use it, so you see that everything I use here is one, like just like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. This is how the result. So in case you see me using this hair when I'm styling my kids hair, you should know what I have here. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in my video. Bye for now.
The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me